I'm going to show you how to insert a formula in the Numbers app. First, we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this, since I already have a document created. From here, we just move to the table that we have, and then we can click on Insert, and here we have a few formulas: sum, average, minimum, maximum, count, product, stock quote, or a new formula, which we can just type in. Here we have some cheat sheets, and yeah, and examples as well, what these do. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.